Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to work with recurring retainers in Clerk. Recurring retainers are suitable for the case when we have recurring prepaid amount of hours that is not moved to the next billing period. And we need to charge extra if our team has spent more than this amount of hours. For example, we can sell 20 hours of monthly support that are burned at the end of the month if they are not fully used. And if some months our team has spent 30 hours, we need to charge our client extra for these extra 10 hours. For this case, we will use invoice templates and the invoice generator of the Clerk Invoices app. You can watch a separate video that shows how Invoice Generator works, and here I will show just how it could be used for our case. For example, we have this client and we sell him 50 hours of monthly support. So we create one invoice template with these prepaid 50 hours. And we have second invoice template that will collect extra hours spent by our team. We have one time-based line that will calculate the amount based on team hours. And we have one fixed price line that has prepaid hours amount with a minus sign, so it will be subtracted from the invoice total. And if we will get invoice from this template that has positive grand total, that means that we need to charge extra our client this month. Now let's look how that works with the invoice generator. Let's open the generator. Select invoice templates of this specific client and click Generate button. So now we have two invoices ready. First invoice has a fixed price amount. This invoice we send at the beginning of the month to cover our prepaid hours. And we have the second invoice. It has two lines. First line shows the total time spent by our team for support and the corresponding amount, and second line deducts the prepaid hours amount from this amount. And as the result, the grand total of the invoice represents the extra hours spent for support by our team. And we usually send this invoice when the support month is closed. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.